Let's walk through the onboarding process for Eco for Google Cloud. This step is required for an analysis to see how much we can save you and to connect your Google Cloud account to the Eco dashboard, enabling a detailed view of your committed use discount savings. You can follow along using our Spot documentation located at docs.spot.io/eco in the Getting Started guide for Google Cloud. Before we get started, please make sure you have a registered Spot account and the following IAM roles for your Google Cloud organization. These permissions ensure that Eco can set everything up correctly and securely. First, log into your Spot console, and then go to Eco and select Google Cloud. Click Sign In to your Google Cloud account and sign in. Once you're in, leave that browser tab open. We'll be coming back to it. Next, if you haven't already, you'll need to export billing data to a project in BigQuery. Optionally, you can also do the same for pricing and recommendations. This helps Eco to provide accurate insights. The following links redirect to documentation showing you how to do so. Next, go ahead and click the link See How to Give Permissions to a Service Account to be directed to our documentation outlining the commands that you'll need to run. Now navigate to your Google Cloud Console tab and open the Cloud Shell in the same project that you've set your BigQuery exports to. Head back to the documentation. Let's set the project ID to default by running the command in step 3b. Be sure to replace your main project ID with the ID of the current project. So go ahead and replace this part with the ID of your project, and then hit run. Next, grant the required IAM roles to your user. Run the following commands in step 3c one by one in Cloud Shell. Again, make sure to replace your main project ID with the current project ID and your email with your Google Cloud email address. I've gone ahead and ran all of the commands on my side. Now, let's automate the setup with a script. In Cloud Shell, create a file using a text editor such as Nano. To do so, you can run the following command in step 3d. Go ahead, copy this command, go back to Cloud Shell, and hit enter. Once you do so, go back to the documentation and click View the Script. Go ahead, copy the script to your clipboard, and then paste it. When you're done, hit Save and Exit. If you're using Nano, it's Control-O, Enter, and then Control-X. Now, make your script executable by running the following command in the Cloud Shell. Once you've done that, go to the next step, copy and paste the following to go ahead and run the script. Now wait a few moments for the script to run. Once the script completes, download the generated service account key. It should be called Spot Programmatic Access SA Key.json. Go back to the Spot console and then hit Upload Saved JSON file. Here you're going to upload the key that we just saved from the console. Once that's done, click Next. Now, enter your BigQuery dataset and table IDs to complete the connection. You can find this information in the Explorer section of the BigQuery Studio. Simply select the dataset of interest and review the dataset info for the dataset ID. Next, do the same for the table within the dataset. An optional step here is the inclusion of the recommendations data and pricing data. This will allow Eco for a more granular view of your environment. Once you're done, click Next, and then hit Connect to Eco. After this, your setup is complete. It may take a few hours for your data to start showing up on the Eco dashboard after you hit this button.